Welcome to this celebration meditation, focusing on the simple joy of being alive each day. Let's begin right where we are. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle. Take a moment to set an intention for this practice. Perhaps it's to open your heart to the gift of each ordinary day, or simply to rest in this moment exactly as it is. This is your time, your safe space to explore what it means to truly celebrate being here. For the next 15 minutes, we'll move through a meditation that invites you to see each day not as something to get through, but as something precious to welcome. There's nothing you need to fix or change. Just be present with whatever arises. Begin by noticing your breath, not changing it, just feeling it move in and out. The breath that has been with you since your first moment, that will be with you until your last. This breath, right now, is part of today's celebration. Feel the air as it enters your nose, cool and fresh. Feel it leave, warm and soft. Your body knows how to breathe. It has been doing this work for you without asking, every single day of your life. Can you feel grateful for this? Not in a forced way, but with a gentle acknowledgement. Your body celebrates you by continuing. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Place a hand there if it feels right. Underneath all the planning and worrying, underneath the stories about what should be different, your heart is beating. This is the rhythm of your celebration. Each beat says, I am here, I am here, I am here. What if this moment, exactly as it is enough? What if you don't need to wait for the perfect conditions to celebrate? The noisy neighbor, the unfinished tasks, the uncertainty about tomorrow, all of it can be here while you still choose to honor this day. Let's explore what you're celebrating right now, not in some distant future when everything falls into place, but today. Maybe it's the simple fact that you woke up this morning. That's no small thing. Maybe it's that you're taking this time for yourself, choosing to pause and listen inward. Bring to mind one small thing from today that you might normally overlook. The warmth of water on your hands, the taste of your morning tea or coffee, a moment of quiet, the way light came through a window. These ordinary moments are the building blocks of a celebrated life. Sometimes we think celebration requires big achievements or special occasions. But what if every day is the special occasion? What if you are the special occasion? Your presence here, your willingness to keep going, to keep your heart open even when it's hard. This is worth celebrating. Notice if resistance comes up. Maybe a voice that says you haven't done enough to deserve celebration, or that there's too much wrong to feel joyful. These thoughts are welcome too. They don't have to stop you from celebrating. You can hold both, the struggles and the celebration, the grief and the gratitude. Life is big enough for all of it. Take a deeper breath now. As you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in appreciation for this day. As you breathe out, let go of the need for things to be different than they are. Breathe in the gift of now. Breathe out the weight of should. Each day you are given is unrepeatable. This exact configuration of light, of feeling, of possibility will never come again. When we truly take this in, it changes something. Not by making us desperate to seize every moment, but by helping us relax into the preciousness that's already here. Bring your awareness back to your body. Feel yourself supported by what's beneath you. The ground, the chair, the cushion, all holding you. You don't have to hold yourself up alone. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. The sounds around you, near and far. You are part of the living world, and the living world is part of you. This connection is something to celebrate. Now, silently to yourself, say these words. I celebrate this day. I celebrate this breath. I celebrate this life with all its beauty and all its challenges. Let these words resonate through you. Notice how they feel. There's no right way to feel. Just notice. We are moving toward the close of our practice. Begin to deepen your breath slightly. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel yourself coming back to the room while carrying this quality of celebration with you. The practice of celebrating every day isn't about forcing positivity or denying difficulty. It's about staying awake. It's about not postponing your life until conditions are perfect. It's about recognizing that being here, being alive, being willing to feel and to try, this is already the celebration. As you prepare to open your eyes, consider this. Tomorrow morning when you wake, before you reach for your phone or start making lists, can you take one breath and think, I celebrate this new day. Not because it will be perfect, but because it's yours. Because you get to participate in it. Because no one else can live your particular life. You might forget. You'll probably forget many times. That's okay. The invitation is always there, waiting for you. Each moment is a chance to begin again, to remember that this life, your life, is happening right now. And it's worth celebrating. Take one more full, deep breath. As you exhale, let your eyes open gently. Notice how the world looks, perhaps a little softer, a little more vivid. You've taken this time to honor yourself and to remember what matters. Carry this quality of celebration into your day, not as one more thing to do, but as a lens through which to see. A lens of tenderness, of appreciation, of basic warmth toward yourself and this precious, fleeting experience of being alive. I wish you the courage to celebrate your days, even the difficult ones. Stay mindful, friends.